Now, if his numeric text box age equals false, meaning it's not numeric, then the message box, please enter a number, and the length of your string was, and then this is the function, and this is the parameter that I'm checking. What was entered in the text box age. But else, it was a number, then your age is, and that number. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay, so this is using different variables, using this different functions of. Now one more, which is important, val. Val.
Middle name Valerie.
Val.
Val. Diane Leonard.
Val as in value. Okay? Sometimes when you get a number in an input box, it refers to this number as text. Because it's a text. Okay? Input box, you enter a number in an input box, it refers to this number as text. And sometimes, when you try to do something with this text, it gives you a mismatch. Meaning, you think you entered a number, but the program refers to this as a text. Okay? Even if it's digits, it's like apostrophe for the digits, meaning it refers to this as the 3 characters 1, 0, 0. And then if you try to do something with it, it won't work. So what you do is you use val. Val changes this into integer or a number, value. So let's say, I'm not sure this would be a good example, but let's see. Procedure. I don't want this here. I want this in.
You need the quotation marks at the end.
Okay, so this didn't give me the error. I'm not sure when it does give the error, because many times it just realizes what's going on and 1 second, one more chance. No. Okay, so it doesn't do this error, but what I would do if it gives you an error of you just do val and put the input box over here, and then you know that whatever was over here a number would go into the x as a number. Okay, so that's the val. If you encounter a mismatch type error, okay, this could solve the problem. Mismatch type.
Could we do a break for food?
We do that more mechanical.
What?
Could we do a lunch break, by any chance?
Yeah, we'll just finish
More mechanical.
this. Okay. So, what I want you to do is add to over here. Okay, two more text boxes and labels. Okay, so the check will move down. So let's do this again. We have over here a label which is the date. We have that already. We have a label that says age and a text box. We have another label which is a username and a text box. And we have another label which is password and a text box. And then we have a check, which you already have.
So we need to add a check or?
No, you have the check. We just move it down and add two more labels for username and password and the text boxes for this.
Now we're gonna know the password.
What if your password is password?
Well, so sometimes the best disguise is the hide concept.
Now, what I want that will happen when you press check, okay? Check if this is, or, you know, make another one, not in the one that we already did. Don't work as I'm saying it. Listen to me. Make a new one, just like this, and what I want when you check it will happen. We'll check if age is a number. If not, it will give out a message, age must be a number. Okay? It will check if username is text. If not, it will give out a message, username must be text. It will check if password is between 6 and 10 characters. Okay? If it's between 6 and 10 characters, that's fine. If not, then it will output a message. Password must be between 6 and 10 characters. Okay? If all of these are not empty and they fulfill the criteria that I just said, then when you press check, the message box will pop up and say your registration was completed.
Can you just repeat?
You want me to create a new user form?
You already possibly.
Username, password.
Password between 6 and 10 characters. Okay? Username must be text. Age must be number. I'm running out of space over here. And they all must be full, meaning username has to have at least one character or needs to be not empty, okay? Which is empty, and then right over here is empty. I mentioned it, right?
You want us to create a new user form, you said, not use this one?
What? Yeah, a new user form containing these, and check that they're all full and fulfill all of the things that we said.
Command button.
No, it's on top of it. Set up, I How do you do that?
Initialize? They do.
Just so they don't know.
User form 2, we said we're gonna make this big. Level 1.
I just want to let everyone know.
What the hell is that?
No, you're here. Gotcha.
H-Box.
Okay.
Mm.
Did you figure out how to do it between 6 and 10 letters?
I'm not there yet.
It's not like I'm
You do len and then actually 6 to 10.
I did.
No, if len is less than 6.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not len, if the text box.
I
If
tried.
len text box,
Greater than. It's greater than.
less than 6 or greater than 10, then it's going to say it has to be between 6 and 10.
I do or, just right or.
I did no, it doesn't do.
Does it work?
Yeah. If not 6 is less than.
No, I just want to know if you get parent
How much, if not 6?
Less than.
Okay.
Len, whatever you name the text box or password.
1,800.
Right, and greater than, or, I mean, whatever, if it's greater than 4, it has to be less than 4. So. Len has to be also less than. But less, also that have to be less than whatever.
I feel like a comment.
Wow. No.
I just wrote if not 6 is less than 1.
It's like, if not 6 is less than Len, text password, I guess, anyway, thing.
Okay.
And then also, less than 10. Because that's far, between 6 and 10.
Okay.
Then, message box, whatever your message box is gonna be.
If I have the option to email
Password must be, I don't know, in between 6 and 10
No,
here.
no, we don't start to be in the shop. I'm saying he's gonna be
Then message box. Your age is F.
So you don't work for that.
Box 2.
It's already okay, it's value and culture.
How do you check that something is text? Because we did numeric is for
You just do, if numeric is true.
is false. Ah.
If not numeric.
So you could just do is numeric and just write false kilo. Cool.
The cafeteria closes at 2. The cafeteria closes at 2.
There's no milk cafeteria today.
the place you're going.
Oh, the place one? Yeah, close it to.
So you wanna go there?
Yeah.
So we'll take a 20-minute break.
Thank you.
Like I'm leaving, for
What time does it open?
Open?
It opens at 12. It closes at 2. Yeah, we started at 12, so. Checks. If the number, if the very low.
I'm just going to be over there.
So we're gonna be back here at 2.
Yeah.
This guy. No, we're gonna knife in the tattoo.
It's
Oh, you're a loser.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're the one. This is such a loser. Yeah, you're the one. Okay, bring him on.
How do you recommend
The best way to study, the best material to bring into the test.
We're doing, the
What's up?
We're gonna talk about it? What time do you break it from?
John will see if you know your number and then